These
Idiot.
crazy Dashman moments will make you pee out your nose.
Smart speaker with the Alexa skill that is so convenient. And of course, on your radio.
Involved in the Cubs, and he's involved in the Bears, he's involved in the Bulls, and he's somehow, because he's a South Sider, now he's having pain for
This is probably the most wild police chase you have ever seen on Dashcam. Located in New York City. There's so much traffic here too. He's just able to maneuver himself through it, I guess.
Idiot.
Not like the brake lights were obvious or something.
Oh shit! That's why I wanted to leave early. God damn it! The back garden because they couldn't get it open, so she was like offering them like, look at this.
God damn it.
I'm a nice guy. I'm really tough. Bro, what are we doing here?
Dallas police walking traffic stop.
It's because they can't. What are we doing here? I'm about to like go around this guy. This guy doesn't seem legit.
He's pointing at you to come.
Dude, what are we doing here?
Bro,
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
Get over here.
Come here. It's in park, ma'am. What are we doing here? What are we doing?
You gotta stop for speeding.
speeding.
What are y'all doing?
Sir,
Y'all don't seem
Hey, Campos,
legit.
you want-
Y'all are freaking me out.
you wanna bring him to jail? Let's go.
Y'all are freaking me out. Am I being detained?
Oh, you're stopped.
Can you video me? This is crazy. Video me.
That's
Am
why
I being detained?
Yes, that's what a traffic stop is.
That's not a no.
Yes.
Sir.
Okay.
Am I being detained? I'm asking you.
Yes.
That's not a no.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Am I being detained? I'm asking you.
Yes.
Then let's pull over. Let's do this legit. What are we doing here?
Pull over there then if we're gonna go to the market.
He's asking to get your driver's license.
Understood. Let's pull over. Can we pull over?
Can you get your driver's license, then you can pull over.
Sure, man. Let's pull over, though. Am I being detained? I'm asking that.
You are detained, correct.
Okay.
Once we start a traffic stop, you're detained until we finish that traffic stop.
What a weird sight to see a traffic stop on feet. That doesn't seem like the best course of action in my opinion. Let's stick to the police vehicles.
He just pulled over to the shoulder. He just pulled over to the shoulder, and he's getting out and he's charging my car. Shirt off.
What exit are you at?
49.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna keep driving now. Yeah, he's in the road. He's in the road with his shirt off. It's a white male, buzz cut, tattoo on his left forearm. Yeah.
Hit your vehicle.
No, and I pulled away. Now he's behind me.
Is he behind you now?
Yes. Yeah. I'm on the shoulder.
What do you do, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So try to get him to traffic, okay?
Okay. I will. Okay. No. He just drove away. I'm just gonna stay here.
That man was insane. Point of view. When you try and skip the traffic, just wait and see what happens, dude.
Idiot.
How does a crash like this even occur? Comment down below if you know.
Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Holy shit! It's okay, it's alright, it's alright. It's okay.
Alanis Morissette socials, or PBS,
Oh!
streaming that, lots of other
Oh,
performances.
he did that shit on purpose, too.
Tucker, stuff like that.
Because that truck...
Idiot.
These people need to learn how to pay attention while driving, dude. Is it too much to ask?
My last pay stub and see what the year to date... Oh!
Tourists every single year, alongside the Grand Strand. Local beach state park offers.
Idiot.
You're okay.
That could have been so bad, dude.
Oh!